took the ball out, but I don't think she took the paddle out.
Well, she was over there. I don't know.
Well, I'm sure we'll find it.
Used to be a solid wall right there. This is the new bathroom.
You want to help me move this PDF?
Yeah?
This will be about the only thing that you'll use, that you'll be able to recognize it right here. The pipe from before. Yep. That was the before. This is the after. Stained cement floor. Got it all decorated. Painted the block. Tuck the refrigerator in underneath the steps.